Hey guys, welcome back to Sudoku Maniacs. So hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. Now today I'm going to present one Sudoku which was made by Henning, who's a very good friend. We keep on meeting every year at the World Championships, and he created a series of puzzles titled Naughty 5. Now basically what this is an arrow Sudoku from that series. What it basically means is we all are aware of the rules of a arrow Sudoku, right? Digits do not repeat in a row, column, or a 3 by 3 box. Additionally, the digit in the circle of the arrow is equal to the sum of all the digits that fall on the arrow, and digits may repeat on that arrow, right? However, here in exactly one of the arrows, a single digit 5 plays a party pooper. That is, it will push out one of the legitimate digits and the digit 5 gets placed in that cell, thus making the sum of the arrow wrong. So what it basically means is hypothetically is let's assume if this was the digit 6, right? And assuming this, so 6 can be 3, 1 and 2. And assuming if this was the wrong arrow, then one of these three digits would be replaced by a 5. Now we already have a 5 in the column, we also have 5 in this column, so this would be a 5. Now this kind of a notify placement will take place in exactly one arrow of all the given arrows. Rest of them would have the correct formation of a arrow Sudoku, and again in this arrow which has a wrong sum, again it is the digit one single digit 5 which will be displacing the legitimate digit. So what it means is the other two digits will still be part of the correct sum. I mean, I found this a very interesting concept, and Henning has made a lot more puzzles on this Naughtify series. So if you do like this video and you want to see more of this, let me know in the comments, and I'll cover more of the other puzzles that are there in the Naughtify series. So how do we start this puzzle? How do we determine which one is the right or the wrong arrow? So the first thing that I see in the central box, I have the cell R5C5 as a sum with two arrows, right? Now we already have a 5 which is given in the cell. So we can safely assume that these two arrows are legitimate arrows, right? Because the digit 5 cannot displace any legitimate digit and make it into a wrong arrow sum. So what can be placed here? 6 and 8 would be the only possibility, but 6 again, I cannot have a 2 4 or a 1 5 since 4 and 5 are already given. So this would have to be a 8, because anything less than 5 would not be possible because I require at least 4 digits adding up, rather 2 of each adding up to the central digit. 9 and 7 are already there in the row and column, so they cannot be there, right? So for 8 6 I can't have a 3 5 because the 5 is already there in the box, and in column 4 the 6 is already given, so this will have to be a 1 7 and this would be a 2 6. 3 cannot be here, so that's 9 and a 3, right? So we made, so basically we don't know which arrow is going to be the wrong arrow. So we try to identify arrows which will have to be correct, because no other digit can displace another digit. It's only the 5 that has to displace one of the legitimate ones, right? Now when I look at this arrow again, 5 cannot be here, this 5 eliminates the possibility from here. So none of these three cells, right, can be a 5, which again means this has to be the legitimate arrow. So when I look at this, 9 can never be on the arrow line. So I can't have a 9 here. 8, 7, 6 is not possible. 5, 4, 3, and 1. Oh, so there's only one possibility. That's a 2. All right. And here, 1, 2, 3 not possible. 4 is possible. 5, 6, 7 not possible. 8. But again, if the 8 comes here, 2 plus 8 would be 10. And I require a sum that has to be less than 9 because this is a legitimate arrow, right? So I have 2 and 4, which adds up to 6. And here I can have a sum of 7 or 8. If this were an 8, 2, 4, 6, I would require another 2, but I already have a 2. So this can't be a 2. So it has to be a 1 and this would be a 7. Because again, since 5 cannot be placed on this arrow, we know for sure this is a legitimate arrow. So we go here and here. 1, 1, 1 can never be on the circle. That's my 1. 5 cannot be here, 5 cannot be here because of this. So the 5 is here, 8 and 9. So some progress, but yet we don't know which is the incorrect arrow out of the remaining 3. So column 4, 2, 8 and 9. 2 can't be here, can't be here. So that's a 2. So this would be an 8, 9. This is a 3, 6. And I require 4, 5, 7. So that's a 4, 7. 4, 5, 7. And 4, 5, 7. Now this 4 cannot be here. Now, what next? Okay. Remember the notifier, the 5 is the only digit which will make the sum wrong. Rest of the other digits on the arrow have to form a legitimate sum, right? Keeping that in mind, this cell 5, 7. If this were a 7, I would have a minimum 3 at the end of the arrow, and if both were legitimate numbers, 7 plus 3 would be a sum of 10, right? Which would not be possible in this. Because remember, any digit apart from that 5 has to be a legitimate digit. So obviously I can't have a 7 there. This would have to be a 5. Now we do not know whether this 5 is actually the naughty 5 or an actual legitimate 5 for the sum. Alright. Now if this were a 5, this has to be a legitimate number. But if this was a 6, correct? And assuming this 5 was a naughty 5. And again, let's look at this cell. I can't have a 1, 2, 3, 4. So the minimum number I can have is a 5. Correct? 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are the 4 possibilities. Now we definitely know that this cell has to be the naughty 5 arrow. This arrow has to be the incorrect arrow because the minimum here is 3 and one of the 5s will have to be legitimate assuming both are 5s. That would still be 3, 5, 5. Correct? But if this were say not a 5, 6, the minimum number with a minimum 3 here, sorry, right, would give us a 9. Plus, if this 5 was replacing any other digit, even 1, 6 plus 3 plus 1 would still be a 10. So I know for sure I cannot have 6 or a greater number here. So this also would be a 5. Correct? What this means is 1 5 is the naughty 5 and the other 5 is a legitimate number. So if I have 1 as a 5 as a legitimate, obviously this cannot be a 6 because 5 plus 6 would be 11 and 11 is not a proper sum for the arrow. So this would have to be a 3. So 3 plus 5 is 8 and that naughty 5, assuming one of them is the liar number, has replaced the digit 1. That gives me a sum of 9. So obviously the replaced digit is a 1 and this sum will have to be a 9, right? So that's a 6. So we have identified the incorrect one. So basically these two arrows have to be the correct arrow sums. So again for 8, the minimum number here would be 2. 3, 4, 5, 6 is not there, 7. But again I can't have a 7 because these two will have to add up to 1, which is just not possible. So if this is a 2, these two have to add up to 6. I can't have a 1, 2, 3 or a 4. So this has to be a 5 and a 1, right? And again 1, 1 by classic rule, this is a 1. So this becomes a 1. 5, 5, 5 because of the classic rules. Now what next? Where do we go? This has to be a 3 or a 4 because after that 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8 plus minimum 2 would be 10. So this has to be a 3, 4. 3, 4, 7. Okay, what are we missing here, guys? Okay, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, this has to be a pair of 2, 3, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 9 are missing. We have a 9, so that's a 6 and a 9. 9, 9. 9 can't be here, so that's my 9 because of this. So we got a 9, so that's an 8, and that becomes a 9. So if this were 9, I require these two to add up to 8, correct? Because this is a true arrow. So if this is a 3, this will be a 5, which by classic rules is a 5. So obviously this is my 3. 3, 3. This becomes a 3. That's a 2 and a 3. So this would be a 2 with a 6 here and a 2 there. So 2, 2. This can be a 2. That's my 2. And the last digit here would be a 4. So 4, 4. That's a 4. 4 is logged in these two. 4 is not here. So this becomes a 4 because there are only two digits missing in column 2. So that becomes my 8. This would be a 4, 6, 7, 4, 7, 6, 7. So 4, 7, there's a pair. So that makes this an 8. 8 means 8 is logged in these two. So that's an 8 and a 7. 7 and an 8. 7 goes here, 7 goes from there. So this has to be a 7, 4, and a 7. And the last digit for column 1, we get an 8, 8, 8. Last digit for row 4, right? So last digit for column 7 would be a 6, followed by a 7, 7, 3, and a 6. This was really a fun puzzle to solve, and I think the crux of the puzzle is to identify which arrow would be the incorrect one. And also we have to remember, again, when we say it's an incorrect sum, it's not necessary that at the circle there will be any random number. No, the 5 that has replaced another number, if I was to put the number back again, it should form a legitimate arrow sum. And that is the reason we use that logic to get to the 9 in row 6 column 8, because the 1 5 has to replace the digit 1, right? Because 135 would give me 9, any other digit would add up to more than 10. Hope you guys enjoyed the puzzle and the video. I mean, I love solving this. So I have added a link to this puzzle in the description of the video in case you wish to solve it online. Do let me know what you thought of this puzzle in the comment section. If you want me to cover more of these Naughty 5 series, I'll be more than happy to, because I've spoken to Henning and he is simply a great guy and he makes some really wonderful puzzles as well. He's part of the Facebook group that we have. That's the League of the Extraordinary Gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, sorry. So if you're part of that group, go ahead, check out his puzzles as well. So till the next time, happy solving.